Yo, what's going on? This your boy Montego Ramon here with another video with the Risers X channel where we rise to the occasion. I'm going to make a quick video real quick, just showing the trades I'm in and what's going on right now, and even update you on my prop firm account trading and stuff like that. So off rip, we have closed out at least one position on the long hold we were holding on the gold trade down here, right? So I'll go ahead and open that chart. Right now, we're still in, basically, I'm down here in a buy. If you follow the cursor there, I'm still here in a buy. I'm up 2,700 ticks. I have my stop loss and profit 945 ticks. And we are starting to create a downtrending structure. We have went and made this high, and then we're starting to break below this level of support, which we have been holding. You can see on these last two bounces, I'm here on the 30-minute time frame, and you can see we're starting to get some downtrending structure. To combat that, what I'm doing is I'm in a short here in gold, basically in gold mini contracts. So that was micros that we were in. I'm in one micro right here. I mean, mini, this is a mini, so this is worth 10 times what that contract was I was in before. And we're just looking to take a quick short to this level of support here, right? So I'm just looking to take a quick short to this level of support here, because I don't think we're going to pull back that far. So I'm just watching for this level, as you can see, which I'll show. Basically, this trade is a 1 to 2 right now. This trade is a 1 to 2. Basically, I'm risking about 150 ticks to make 311 ticks, right? So as you all know, I don't want to see the money anymore. I just want to focus on the charts and trading the candlesticks, which is why you don't see me have the money up there anymore. So that's what's going on right now. So we're up 37 ticks, and that's looking like I'm up $370, right? So that means each tick is worth about $10, right? Okay, cool. So in our next trade, I'm in shorts in both NASDAQ minis and NASDAQ micros, right? So I'll show you this position here, because this was the first short I took, right? So I took this short from this level right after we had a rejection inside of this fair value gap here. So I'll draw the fair value gap rejection here. The one beneath it in blue is a 4-hour fair value gap that I was tracking. After you go into the lower time frames, you can see we have more of a you have more fair value gaps basically in the area. So I'm just kind of playing off those as of right now. And then if we go to the NASDAQ, which this one is pulling back, you can see, open the chart, I'm basically I got in a slightly later, and we're just looking to take this back to this level of support potentially. I don't see any fair value gaps down here. Maybe this one is an important one I should watch out for. So I'll mark out this one. I'll watch for, and then I'll watch for this one as well, right here. So right below those lines I just placed are fair value gaps, right? I'm just marking the top of them because I just want to keep track of that. Starting to pull back a little bit, so I want to keep an eye on that one, because that could be a big loss. We are in an uptrend, so I probably need to be looking to exit here soon. There's no guarantee I'm going to make it all the way down to that TP that I have there. All right, the next one, let's see. So those are all the trades I'm in there. Now let's go to Topstep really quickly. All right, so as you can see, I've exceeded my daily loss limit. I had basically lost more than $1,000 in a single day. If I can show the trades I was trading, let me see if I can actually show the positions. So basically what happened was I was on the smaller time frame, which I don't like to trade anymore because it gets a little too volatile, and I was a lot of confusion it can be very confusing. So what happened was I was looking to short this area right here on this. Let me see if I can get up the tool for my, no, that's not what I'm trying to do. There we go. So I'll show the fair value gap. I was originally looking to short. So I was originally looking to short. Why is this thing moving like that? It's moving kind of weird, but whatever. So I was originally looking to short this area. You can see there's a fair value gap I just opened up. You can see rejections out of that. And then I was basically looking to short this area. I had a much deeper target. I had my stops originally here. And yeah, as you can see, this is, I'll tell you what, let's do this. I can actually show you the trade. So let's go to photos. Let's go to my last video. Boom. All right, cool. So as you can see, that's where I was looking to short. I got in a little late, but I was basically taking it off of that fair value gap there. And then I'll show you the fair value gap. Watch, I'll do that real quick. I'll draw on it a little bit. Let me set you down here. I'll show you here. So the fair value gap is right in here, right? So that's what the fair value gap is. I'm looking to short here, as you can see. All right, close that, and the video goes on. So you can see I'm in a little profit. I'm in 10 contracts, basically a full mini contract, and I was looking to basically take it home right here with this trade. I'm only down 300 at this time from a loss I took earlier. Price, I'm expecting price to still be short, but we having a pullback potentially, or might be just going bullish all the way. I think I'm pretty much still bearish is my bias on NASDAQ. So you can see here, I mark out these two areas in blue as areas where potential rejections could happen that I want to watch for. That go to the third one. And you can see we really did get a bounce off that area of support as it's rejecting. You can see I've added contracts in at this time. What did I do to add the contracts in? So as we start breaking below my target, I start adding contracts in as we come back to my entry area, because I'm just looking to maximize this trade as much as possible. Right, so we go on, we pull back. I end up closing early. You can see I end up closing early, probably about a couple $100 in, right before I hit my stop loss. So now I'm down 569 at this time, right? And then I try another entry right here, right? So try another sell. Look like we're gonna break down, and maybe finally get that run I'm looking for. Really, I was just late on all the entries, so I really didn't get as much as I wanted out of the trade. I'm going heavier, as you can see. I added in another position. I'm in there heavier than what I was before, right? So which I should have actually brought my my position sizes down, knowing I had lost the last trade. And what I did was went heavier. I'm like, man, I think this thing really gonna sell off. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just convicted, and you can see we wait on it to turn around, and this thing basically goes against me right here, and that basically puts me down to my limit for the day, right? So that's how that went. And so that's a trade update for the day, man. It's your boy Montego Ramon, man. Y'all know what I'm on, man. Peace.